how to make competition work for you? In a recent survey, the Competition Bureau found that Canadians could save around $1,800 a year by renegotiating or switching their telecom, banking, and insurance plans combined. Taking advantage of competition matters. Here's why. Let's say you signed up for your car insurance more than a decade ago, and you haven't shopped around since. In that time, other companies could be offering lower monthly fees or new and better services. You could be missing out on significant savings or innovative services that may better meet your needs. In fact, we found that Canadians could be overpaying around $200 each year by sticking with their current car insurance plans. Every year, the Competition Bureau calls on Canadians to take some time and ask, is my service provider still the best choice for me? Exploring your options can save you and your family money. And it also encourages companies to compete for your ongoing business. Stop overpaying and start switching. Call your providers. Ask for better deals or offers. Shop your business. When you switch, we all save.